Hey guys, Echo Point here. Today's video is a little bit special. I reached out to the top 10 Airsoft players in the world and asked for their number one tip for playing Airsoft. This is what they said.
Make sure you're comfortable and can see your BBs clearly. Aim quickly and effectively. If your gear slows you down or prevents you from looking down your sighted optic, you're fighting not just your enemies, but yourself as well. Try different sights, don't just stick to one place. Variety is the spice of life, and playing just one field all the time is a sure way to get bored. Try CQB, Woodland, Urban, and anything else available to you.
So we're back at the Urban game area and I'm really excited to bring my L96 back to the field, especially with this awesome new skin. The game starts and I head right away to my favorite spot. I'm sure I can get some kills there on the income.
I think one of the most important things is just be yourself and enjoy what you're doing. And guys, when you're this good at sniping, of course you're going to enjoy yourself.
Enemies have no idea that we are here. Let's do the same with the second floor. An enemy spotted me. I have to eliminate him. Enemy down.
Don't shoot 2 times from the same spot.
Sí.
Guys, this one's a no-brainer. Call your hits.
Hop on! All dead! Let's go, lad!
Buy top quality eye protection and wear full face protection. Take responsibility for your own face and teeth. A big advantage in CQB is learning from your environment. Learn from other players. Don't be afraid to watch how they do stuff. Also ask them. If you lost a duel really fast, how did he know? How did he see you? Just ask. Good players will tell you. Learn from everything you see and hear, like shadows. Where's my shadow? Where's my opponent's shadow? If yours is in front of you, it means you can be noticed faster by the enemy.
That day we met some German players and they were really good CQB players as well. We all had...
Oh, sorry. Oh, you're marking so many games.
Make friends at your field and find a team you really enjoy playing with. It's fun to run around like John Wick getting tons of kills. But the most fun you can have, and the moments you'll really remember, are those little moments working as a team and having a good time with close friends.
Okay, well, with all the sights, you'd think I'd be able to see who I'm shooting at, eh?
Always take care of your gun. Clean it, fine-tune it, make sure it's 100% good to go before going to a game. Think about your clothing choices and adjust. Keeping your body temperature down or up, depending on environment, is extremely important. And only move when you're absolutely certain nobody is watching you.
Today I'm not using a new sniper. It's just my SSG-24 but with the M40A3 conversion kit installed.
Think about why you got killed. This is my number one tip. Guys, this one's really good and really important if you're looking to get better at playing Airsoft. My simple advice would be, use an LMG. Work out. A lot. Become thick. And use the power of an LMG. You will not be disappointed, I promise.
That's it from the top airsofters in the world. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. It's been Echo Point, and I'll see you guys next time.